Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Mindgrasp AI subscription. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I found the best way to do this is to head on over to mindgrasp AI and then scroll all the way to their footer where it says useful links. Go ahead and click on the contact us link. And now from here, we want to go ahead and copy their email. So copy this and then open up an email client. Go ahead and click on compose and then put the email into the two. And then for the subject, you want to put in request to cancel my Mindgrasp AI subscription. And then in the body, we want to go ahead and put a prompt or something similar like this. Hello, Mindgrasp support team. I would like to request the cancellation of my Mindgrasp AI subscription effective immediately. Here are my account details. So emails associated with the account. So you want to put in your email here. Subscription plan, if you're paid monthly or annually. So just go ahead and put monthly, annually. And then please confirm once the subscription has been cancelled and let me know if there any further action is required from my side. Thank you. Kind regards, and put in your name there as well. And then Mindgrasp is going to give them about 24 to 48 hours to get back to you and help you with your request.